Hi guys, this is Sacha Brother. Today we are in our diamond factory where all of your diamond items or color stone items, all the studded items are being made. Yeah, and our most famous alphabet pendants are also being made in the same factory. Today I'll walk you through the step-by-step process, how we make those items, what kind of quality checks we do, and what kind of things we take care of while making it. Stay tuned. Okay, so the first step, whenever any client puts our order, whenever you give us an order, is the order goes to the marketing department first, where we check all the details. If there is any correction, we make it to make sure that there is no mistake at our end. After that, if the order is from an existing style, we'll just start the process immediately. If not, if there is a new style or a new design, we'll first make a hand-drawn design or the machine-made design, and then we will make the CAD out of it, and then it will go on the floor. So this is how the paper design comes, and as you can see, there are all the details of all the stone. So now the product will go for stone procurement, because first of all, when the product is with the stones, procure all the diamonds and the color stones as per the sizes which will be used in this item. So now, as we have all the material ready, we have the stone, we have the gold, we have everything, the production will start. First, we have to choose whether the product will be wax setting or the hang setting. In wax setting process, we'll take out the wax piece from the model, from the rubber mold, and then we'll set the stone in that wax piece. Now, if the product is not possible to make in the wax setting process, it will go in the hand setting process. After the wax setting, the product that particular item's wax piece will be joined in a tree form in a big wax flask. If the tree is full, then it will go to the casting process. It's always good for the production that if the tree is full, so that we can make it maximum cost effective. Now the casting process takes around 22 to 24 hours to give the best results. After this 24 hours, we'll get the full wax tree converted into the gold tree. Now once we take out the gold tree, we'll cut all the products which are attached to it, and these products will now go to the filing stage. Now filing means removing the unnecessary gold parts which are attached to the product and give it a better look. After that, if the product was not wax set, that means if the diamonds and the other color stones were not set at the stage of wax product, the stones will be set now. The product will now move to the polishing stage. After the polishing, we'll do a slight QC about the product, and then it will move to the Rhodium department. Now, if the product is white gold, there has to be a white Rhodium coated on the product to give it a better look, because the real white gold is always pale yellow, which is not fit for the jewelry. So there will be a Rhodium stage. We use some of the best Rhodiums in the world with the highest quality. The same applies for the tricolor items or the two-tone items. For the two-tone items, the Rhodium process will be doubled. We'll mask one part, do the yellow Rhodium, mask the yellow part and do the white Rhodium, something like that. The product comes to the final, that is the QC stage. Now for us, this is the most important stage. Of course, at every stage, like whether let it be like stone procurement or even stone setting or any stage, we always have a small QC check after each process. But this QC check, the final QC check, is the most important process in our whole system. Where here we check each and everything, starting from the scratches on the product until whether the stone is loose or not, if the prongs are properly carved, everything. Even if there is only one slight problem, with any part of the product, we'll just send it back to that department, get it revised, and bring it back to the final QC department again. If there is a big issue, then the product will be melted, it will be made again. There is no compromise, no chance at all about the QC. The product. This is how your product gets ready. As you might have noticed, there is one thing which we never do, and that's compromising the quality. Even if there is a small scratch on the product will go again in the polishing. Even if there is a small bubble in the gold, it will go for the recasting. So that's how we take care of all of your jewelry, and we present it to you.